Well, actually, I felt pretty good out there, man. I know a few guys said they was tired, but I feel pretty good. Like I know I have a cold or a sore throat, but I had a lot of energy.
What was it like watching Kyle do what he was doing?
Amazing, man. I kept telling him like, yo, you're hitting some big shots right now. You know, just stand in his ear and I mean he's a vet. He's a 14-year pro, and that's what he does.
Have you ever been a part of like a comeback even similar to that?
When I been in college, I think we came back from like 2026 against like a rival, but never down 30. Nah.
Does this feel like coming back from this compared to like some of the other ones that you've been a part of?
I mean it just happened that they missed some shots, turned it over. We capitalized off it, and this is how the game went. So I mean it felt pretty good.
Did he say anything to you guys down 30 when he hits that three at the end of the third? Did he change the way he was approaching anything?
Not really. I mean it was just playing ball. We all knew we was down 30, so it was gonna take everything we had.
As great as Kyle was in the fourth, he showed a lot of confidence and trust in you guys, a unit that probably hasn't played a lot of minutes together. How much does it mean to have trust in a veteran player like that in a moment like that?
Well, I mean, I guess I could say like it means a lot. I mean, it builds confidence, confidence, get comfortable, and but it's just we got some guys down, so it just help us as a team and help us as a group, to learn how to play with each other better from each I would say lineup and things of that sort. So it was pretty good.
Did you did you feel the energy from the crowd? The crowd was constantly rising with you. You guys
Yeah.
down to 18, and there was a lot of into it from then on.
No doubt about that, man. The crowd always plays a big part in our games. They're here every single night, so definitely.